Okay, so next thing we're going to do is deploy a vault. So we'll open up the sidebar and hit create vault. And here, so here it stores your most recently deployed vaults on your browser. So this is a local storage. Just in case, like if you follow these steps and stop at one step, you can continue from where you left off, using the same browser. So we'll first deploy a vault. So relayer quota exceeded. Okay, so this is probably a good place to show the transfer Lukso feature. So the relayer, when you install the extension, the Lukso on L16 Testnet, they give you a set amount of funds to pay for gas fees, but there's a quota. So at some point that runs out. So what we're going to do is log into another account, and I'm going to log into the MyLuksoWallet account, which has funds. So actually, let me disconnect this profile here and connect the MyLuksoWallet one. So this one I have a balance of 39 Lukso. I'm gonna hit this transfer button. And so what I'm gonna do is get the address of that other wallet here. So this is the MyLukso test wallet. And I'm going to copy this here, and then I'm going to hit transfer and then paste in the address of that new wallet. And I'm just going to transfer 5 Lukso here. It's going to transfer funds and ask me to confirm. So generally with the modals on, the modal is the pop-up screen. With the pop-up screen on the MyLukso wallet website, you can click out of it and it won't revert your transaction. As long as you confirm through the extension, your transaction will go through. So these are for display purposes only. So congratulations, your Lukso was transferred. So we can see that the balance went down from 39 to 34. And then we'll disconnect this profile, and then we'll connect the test profile that we were working with. And you can see that we have 5 Lukso, so that's great. So the issue here is that the relayer is not going to use gas from your universal profile. It's going to take gas from your browser extension here. So we can try deploying the vault again. And you can see that it still says relayer quota exceeded. Please get controller key funds. So we're going to have to go into the extension here and click on this browser extension. And you can see that there's 0 Lukso here. So we'll copy this address. And then now we're in this profile, the universal profile. And we'll paste in the receiver address, hit OK. We'll transfer, we'll just transfer, I guess, like 3 Lukso. That should be enough for transactions. So long click to confirm. Just give it a couple seconds, and that transferred. So now if we try to deploy the vault, it should go through. Here we go. Yeah, so you can see here it's using this much gas, basically. Of that 3 Lukso, we're going to use 0.02 to deploy the vault here. Congratulations, your vault has been deployed. So after that, we're going to deploy a universal receiver delegate, which allows your vaults to talk to other vaults. So without the delegate, your vault's not going to know what assets come in and out of it. So we're deploying that as well. Give it a couple seconds. Okay, so that deployed as well. And then now we're going to add the delegate to the vault. So right now we deployed a vault and we deployed a delegate, but they have nothing to do with each other. So now we're going to add the delegate to the vault. And it shows you which vault and which delegate is going to get added to it. So we're going to add it. Right now, you sort of have to enter in your private key manually, which is very not safe for mainnet. For test purposes, we're going to go into the extension here, and then we're going to click the settings icon up here, and then we're going to export the private key. So So I am going to pause the video here and not expose my private key. All right, so I just extracted my private key and I pasted it into the pop-up. So now our vault has a receiver delegate attached to it. So the reason you have to paste in your private key right now is we're still trying to figure out the coding to get the URD on top of the vault. But in a future implementation, you're not going to have them paste in your private key manually. And obviously, if you have real funds, you definitely don't want to expose your private key. And then, so that was steps 1, 2, and 3. And then step 4, we're going to add the vault to our universal profile. So in step 1, we deployed a vault. In step 2, we deployed a universal receiver delegate. In step 3, we added the universal receiver delegate to the vault. So in step 4, now we're going to add that vault to our universal profile. And so we're just going to paste this in. You can paste in whatever profile address you want your vault to be added onto. In this case, we're going to add it to the one that we're logged in on. Preparing for session, please confirm. So we're going to confirm. And once this is confirmed, we'll be able to view our vault in a couple of different ways on this website. So again, I can click out of here because I've already confirmed. Congratulations, your vault has been added to your account. So one way we can view the vault is we can now modify our vault settings. So we go to the My Vault section here, and we can check Manage Permissions. So we just refresh the page here and connect again. Connect Manage Permissions, and you can see that the vault showed up. So you might need to refresh the page for some of this stuff to kick in. And we can just go to the vault and just see what's on here. And another way we can view the vault is to go to the Wallet app, and you can see down here now there's a vault. So this is the vault that we just deployed, and it's empty because there's nothing in it. But what we can do is go to My Vaults, and we'll select the vault that was just deployed, and we'll call this My First Vault. And then this is my first vault. And we're super excited. Just give it a green color and upload edits. So these settings are going to be saved on your universal profile. So if you were to give this vault to someone else, it's not these settings are not going to go with them. So now it's asking to confirm whether you want to change your universal profile settings. And we're going to confirm yes. And long click to confirm. So again, I can click out of this, but that one was pretty quick. So congratulations, your universal profile has been updated. We'll go back to the wallet, and we'll go to this vault, and you can see it's green. If we close the wallet here, my first vault shows up, and then this is my first vault was the description.